Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to install XAMPP on your Windows and iOS machine. Open your Chrome and search for XAMPP download. Click on the link from Apache Friends. Choose the version of PHP and the system bits you want to download. Wait for the download to complete. Click on the executable file. Click Next. Choose the components you want to install, like MySQL and phpMyAdmin. Click Next. Choose the path where you want to install the XAMPP. Choose your language preferences and click Next to install. Now click Finish to complete the installation. Here you go, your XAMPP server is ready. From here you can start your Apache server and other services which you want. I'm going to start my Apache. If you face such issues, go to config, http://conf and change the default port from 80 to the one you want. In my case, I'm changing it to 84. It will be at two places, change it here as well. Save it and close the file. Now try starting it again. It started on port 84 and 443. I'm also starting my MySQL server. And by default it starts on 3306. You can also stop your services from the navigation panel in the bottom, like this. Open your Chrome and go to localhost with the port number you have used. Here you can go to XAMPP dashboard and you see the version which is installed by Apache. If you click on PHP info, you can see the version of the PHP which you have installed. It's 8.1.10 in my case. If you click on phpMyAdmin, it will take you the database panel. You can see all the databases here. If you want to create, you can enter the database name and create. Thank you.